Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if the Apple CarPlay is not working right now on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply reset the pairing connection. So guys, you have to simply restart both your car and your iPhone and repair the devices via Bluetooth or by plugging the USB cable. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, for that you have to simply go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to simply turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply enable Siri on your device as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your device as well. So guys, enable Siri and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open your settings again and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset settings of your device for one time. So I simply reset your settings, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.